You know, for a long time, the idea of running a digital marketing agency felt like the ultimate dream to me. All those success stories, it looked easy, honestly. But what I actually found out after diving deep and even dipping my toes in is a little different, and I want to share the actual reality so you can make smarter moves. When I looked into starting an agency, I quickly realized the first hurdle isn't even the actual marketing work, it's client acquisition. Seriously, everyone talks about passive income, but an agency is anything but passive initially. You're constantly selling, doing cold outreach, building relationships. The grind to land those first few retainer clients is intense. And honestly, it can feel like a full time job just getting your foot in the door. It's a sales machine before it's a service machine. And here's the thing, once you land clients, you then need to deliver. Most people, including me initially, think they can handle SEO, social media, paid ads, content creation, email marketing, everything. But wait, that's impossible to do well yourself. The surprising part is, even with a team, delegation is a nightmare if you don't understand the nuances of each channel. Quality control becomes your full time job. You become less of a marketer and more of a project manager, constantly making sure promises are met and results are delivered without burning out your team. So here's what actually happened for many I spoke with and what I experienced. To truly scale a digital marketing agency, you have to move beyond being the chief operator. You need robust systems, clear processes, and perhaps even productized services. You can't just offer everything to everyone. It requires a shift from doing the work to building the machine that does the work. This transformation is tough. It means letting go, trusting others, and focusing on strategy and vision rather than daily tasks. It's less about your marketing skills and more about your entrepreneurial and leadership abilities. So, if you're dreaming of that shiny digital marketing agency, understand it's an incredible path, but it's real work. The key takeaway, focus on becoming a brilliant business owner first, not just a brilliant marketer. Build systems, build trust, and then scale. If this helped you gain some clarity, hit that like button. It genuinely helps the channel. And subscribe to Nexura for more honest takes on making money online.